In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create section views within your model. And what a section view is essentially, if I was to create a sketch halfway through this model and then press F7, it will cut it in half. And then what is shown is the section view. But we're currently in the sketch space. So what we want to be doing is we want to do this within the model space. So the way to go about doing this is coming to the view tab at the very top here, and then coming to the section view button here. In the drop down, we have multiple options available to us, and the end section view literally just shows the entirety of the whole assembly. As you can see, it's currently in that. Or we can change to the half section view and then select a face that you'd like to offset this plane from. So wherever this plane ends up is going to be where the cut is made. So I know that this nut is 16 millimeters long in total, so I'm going to make it -8 so that it is halfway, and once I press enter, that is my half section view. So if you wanted to return back to the full view, you have to do the end section view again, but there's other ones available to us here, which is the quarter section and 3/4 section view, and these work in a similar way. So once again, I'm just going to create another plane that's halfway through, and you'll see that I have the option to start up another one. So I'm just going to select from this side and then do -8 again, and now you'll see that I only have a quarter of it, or 1/6 of it, given that this is a nut and the faces that I've selected. And lastly, I will show you the 3/4 section view. I'm just going to do exactly the same thing again, and this works similar to the previous one, except from rather than cutting out all of the others, it's only the areas that have intersected that have been cut out, and that creates our so-called 3-section quarter view. A half section view is something that you're typically after when you want to cut through a part and have a look at what is going on in the inside. So for this nut, it may not be the most practical use, but it would be a good way to have a look at all of the threads that we have and see how they line up with possibly your male part to this thread. Or say you were designing a lock mechanism, being able to cut inside of the box and see what's going on inside of it could be of great use to you. So hopefully that is of help to you. Something I'd like to point out is that I have a course for Autodesk Inventor for all beginners, and it is currently on sale. There's a link in the description that will offer it to you at the very best price, and to my knowledge that is £12 on Udemy. It is a great way to get started on the essentials for Autodesk Inventor, and a brilliant place to have all of the resources in one place. So yeah, give that a go, have a look at it if that's something that you're looking at, if you want to get better at Autodesk Inventor, and thank you very much for watching.